Eugenie kitchen.
Hi, I'm Eugenie. People normally make egg rolls with a rectangular frying pan, but today I'm gonna show you how to make egg rolls with round frying pan.
For this recipe, you will need 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of carrot chopped, 1 tablespoon of onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of spring onion chopped, salt and freshly ground pepper. First, crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. And add in milk and salt. I'm adding about half teaspoon of salt. Whisk until combined. Then pass through a fine sieve to remove colza. Colza is known to contain cholesterol, and it's frequently removed for finer texture of dish. And add in carrot, onion, spring onion. They're all finely chopped. And add in pepper and stir until combined. Lightly grease a frying pan with vegetable oil. Today I'm using a spray oil and a 10-inch pan. It's a small egg roll. And heat the frying pan. And pour in half of the egg mixture and cook it over low heat. Until half done. Roll omelette halfway up to the middle, and if there's not enough oil, lightly grease the pan each time you roll up. And add in a quarter of egg mixture to the side of unrolled omelette, and cook until half done. And roll halfway up again, and move the egg roll to the center of the pan. And add in remaining egg mixture and cook until half done. And finally, roll all the way up. Transfer to a cutting board. When an egg roll is hot, it's easily broken, so let cool before cutting. Now slice into bite-sized pieces and serve. It's quick and easy. Everyone can make it and everyone likes it. It's beautiful. Bon appetit! Today it was egg rolls and tomorrow it's rice. Get my weekly schedule at Facebook, Instagram, or EugenieKitchen.com. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.